Hello, namaste. How are you all? I'm fine. Hope the same from your side. First of all, let me thank all of you for inviting me to your place. Really, my heartful thanks to all of you. And many of you have suggested that, ma'am, please visit in winter. Whether visiting in the month of winter will be much, what I can say, nice in the sense. Uh, then, what are the things I should carry with me? Because I will be visiting along with my family, my son, daughter in law, and my 8 year sweet granddaughter Neva. So we all, four of us, will be visiting Northeast. So especially Meghalaya and one more other state we may visit. So just I request you all to tell me which type of things I should carry, because when we had been last time we had carried raincoats and umbrellas, because before going we had gone through many of the, because nowadays on Google you can get everything. And but the trip was very nice. Last time also when we visited, we were not knowing anyone there. Just imagine, now I know my very large family is there. So this time it is very, very easy. Last time, though we were not knowing anyone, uh, we had just online booked everything. Homestay also in Chirapunji, at least our homestay was in a area, in the sense there were no around houses also. Huh? Very nice the place was. Online we had even the vehicle, driver, everything online we had booked. Everything was very nice, no problem. Huh? This time it will be much, much more better, because I am having my family there. My so many daughters, sons, granddaughters, grandsons, friends, brothers, sisters, all are there. So this time it will be much more easier and much more better. That is what I think. So I want you, what are the things I should carry? That is sweaters or shoes, which type it will be better. Because sometimes without knowledge, if we take the wrong things, it becomes very troublesome. Udaipur we had been once, that too in the month of December we had visited Udaipur. We felt it was the wrong time which we had visited. Very cold it was, and yeah, in the sense, no doubt sweaters and all we had taken, but even then we should have carried much more, or the shoes and all which we were using. I think we should have been better. So that is what. Otherwise, even that trip was okay, but some inconveniences because of our wrong knowledge, or we visited in the wrong time, I will tell you. That is why I am requesting you, give me some guidance about everything, about the clothing, about the shoes, chappals, or anything else, if we should carry, so that our trip will be much, much pleasant. And one more thing, about the negative comments, I am least bothered. You too have told me don't bother about them. I'm ignoring them because I'm least bothered about those negative comments. Let them tell whatever you are knowing. Barking dogs, let them go on. Or it is many times, there is one more proverb that the elephant goes ahead and the dogs go on barking. Like that, because I am having my personal experience about Meghalaya, so I am least bothered about those people. And since now it is my second home, I have told, because I'm having so many of my people. Even when we visited without having anyone known there, because online everything we had done, we were not knowing anyone, but everything was very fine, very nice. And now at least no problem. I'm having a big family of my own there. So, and moreover, I like to meet you all people. As far as I am concerned, instead of having the trip of going here, no doubt we will see the important points. But other than, I am more interested in meeting you all, in seeing your lifestyle, how you live there, and how your day-to-day activities are going on. Because Northeast is always an interesting topic and a curious thing, means at least for me, I love the people, I love the place. I want to learn more about your lifestyle, about your functions, how you do day to day, how you manage, because other India it is the same. We don't have much, because though I am in Maharashtra, I am originally from Karnataka, married to Maharashtra. So both, there is not much, only the difference is there we speak Kannada language, here they speak Marathi language. Otherwise not much more difference. But Northeast, because even you are knowing it is a hilly region, and that is why according to the place, according to the weather, the people live there. Uh, so I love to know more about your living there, your lifestyle, your functions. All these things I want to learn more about it. So when we meet, we will have a nice time. Um, in the sense, because I told you, my loving, my dear, near sons, daughters, grandsons, granddaughters, I'm very, very anxious to meet you. I'm very anxious to meet you all people. So just let me know, apart from the raincoat, umbrella, sweaters, anything I should carry while coming there, which will make my trip more safe, happy, and pleasant. Acha, have a nice day.